We're here at AM inside our showroom, and today we're going to be doing everything to do with silk screening. So let's get straight to it and show you our first option we have. So here at AM we've got a lot of choices for silk screening. We're going to start with our smaller ones and go up to our bigger ones. And the first one we're going to start off with is our Bottle Pro. And these come in two different sizes. We've got in front of us a 140 by 160, and then we have a bigger size. Now this one in particular is mainly meant for cylindrical items, so that you can go ahead, pop a bottle in, and then go ahead and do a silk screen. And what's quite nice about this one is that it does the squeegeeing process for you. The squeegees are already mounted in the press, so all you have to do is go ahead and have your silk screen, the screen already, have it with the artwork in. You go and put your either water-based or plastisol, and you're going to go ahead and just move your tray back and forth, and it'll do it for you. And obviously you've got a lot of adjustments for this, so you can change the size of the bottle. You can even increase the height as well, so that you can use a smaller item and you just use it along these notches here. And it's just a matter of unscrewing and moving it up and down. From there, you're going to go ahead and adjust your two tensioner arms according to how close or how far away from the bottle you want to be when you actually do the silk screening. And that is it for our Bottle Pro. Now if this is too big for you, we do have a smaller option which is called our Bottle Lite. Now there are a few things that are different with this one. There's less adjustments, but they are still there. So with this one, you can also attach your squeegee arm so that you can do it automatically, and that's just adjusted over here. You attach your squeegee arm there, or you can do it yourself and just lift this up and not have it here at all. So if you're wanting to do it manually, you can go ahead, get your own squeegee and do the process yourself. Now with adjusting to the different size bottle, you're going to do this one here at the back and not in the front, according to this one, not like your Pro, which is in the front. So this is just a slightly smaller version, so that's the difference between the two. That is it for our bottled versions. Now we're going to go over to do our garment silk screening presses. So now in front of us we have our full t-shirt single stage press, which is a very manual system here. The best thing about this is the fact that you can go ahead and adjust your plate size, so you can choose different size silk screen plates. Like this one behind us here, we can use a bigger one like this, or we can go ahead and use something much smaller depending on the size that you're silk screening. And once you've put your plate in, you can go ahead and adjust it here, and once you're ready, then you pull this up, and then you've got a sliding board which then you can put your shirts on. And once you're ready, you just go ahead and bring it back down again, adjust it according to the height of your shirt, and then you're going to squeegee manually, and then you've got your silk screen. Now if this one is too small and you need something that's got a lot more colors, we do have two more available for the garment presses, and that is a 4 color, and we also have a 6 color available. Now that I've showed you all of our presses that we have available, I'm going to go head over to the shop to show you all the accessories we have available for all the presses. So we're here in our shop at AM, and we have got a multitude of accessories. First starting off with our color range on all of our screen printing inks, and we've got both plastisol and water-based available for you to purchase. So the next thing you're going to need is our glue. Now this is quintessential to applying to our flat boards, so that when you apply your t-shirt over it, it stays stuck, so that when you're actually silk screening, it doesn't move around and give you a blurry print. So this is very essential. The next thing we have available is our squeegee. Now we sell these in packs of 4, and they've got a wooden block with our squeegee end bit, and this is perfect for doing with all of our DIY silk screening presses, so that you can at least have one per color, do not mix them at all. From there, you're actually going to need a screen. So we do sell ones that are already stretched and done professionally, so that all you need to do is go ahead and do your negative to this one. Now, along with this, we have different sizes available. We have got this pre-stretched one, as well as our DIY, which has got a blue edge. Now that one, you load in your own screen depending on the size gaps that you need, and then you go ahead and just adjust with Allen keys and stretch the frame out so that you can just use that. Once you're done, you can throw away that screen and start again. Whereas this one is perfect for reusing because it's professionally wrapped and it's tight as a drum. So that's pretty much it for all of our silkscreen presses. Now in the next episode, we're going to be heading on over to our demo room and showing you everything that's available there. Now I don't want you to miss that video, so go ahead, give us a follow, hit that bell icon so you can get notified on our next video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za, achievement matters.